That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Plays and misses. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Not a good shot. The field was set up for that and the batsman fell right into the trap. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. What a ball. That is an absolute ripper. He has produced a peach of a delivery. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is an absolute beauty.
There is a fielder at cover.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. And he helps himself to a 6.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. It's nicely timed. Will only get 1 though. He's calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is huge beer. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.